The clock is up and running. I put a second hand on, even though it's not symmetrical, the right size compared to the rest of the hands of the clock, and that way the owners can tell whether or not their battery is dead or not. The clock originally came with this pen that just pushed in to keep the minute hand in place and to look pretty, I guess. But to me, I'd rather have the second hand on. That is the whole purpose of battery operated clocks, is the second hand, and to see whether or not their battery is still good. But I spent, like I said, about 4.5, 5 hours on this clock. If I was doing this for a living, I would have to charge way too much money to recuperate my time. It's a lot better if you can order clock, battery operated clock movements from Time Savers. Measure the diameter of the shaft, measure the length of the shaft, and that way you can use the old hands if that's what you want to do. They're anywhere from $3 on up on Time Savers. Like I said, I bought these through I can't even think of the name of the store now. That's where my mind is tonight. But anyway, the clock is up and running. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.